In this video, I will be discussing wind and air circulation. The underlying cause of wind is the unequal heating of the Earth's surface. In the polar regions of the Earth, less energy from radiation is received than is lost. In the tropical region of the Earth, more energy from radiation is received than is lost. To try to even out the temperature difference of the Earth's surface, the atmosphere circulates the air using wind. Air flows from areas of high pressure to areas of lower pressure. The larger difference in pressure there is, the stronger the winds will be. Then the smaller the difference in pressure, the weaker the winds will be. This is known as the pressure gradient force. In the northern hemisphere, winds in high-pressure zones move in an outward clockwise direction, while winds in low-pressure zones move in an inward counterclockwise direction. These circular directions are due to the Coriolis effect. The Coriolis effect is the circular pattern of wind caused by Earth's rotation, as I mentioned earlier. If the Earth did not rotate, wind traveling from the North Pole down a line of longitude would travel in a straight line. But because the Earth rotates, wind traveling from the North Pole down a line of longitude would be displaced to the right. And the stronger the wind is, the more to the right it will be displaced as it travels down the northern hemisphere. Near the equator, warm air rises until it is deflected by the tropopause, which deflects the wind back toward the poles. Once that air reaches the poles, it has cooled down and sinks, and then spreads down the Earth's surface back toward the equator. This continues in a cycle, while also generating the Coriolis effect between these two areas due to the Earth's rotation. This cycle of air circulation impacts the climate in certain areas due to these patterns. An example of this are the seasons in Asia. In the winter, the large landmass gets cold and develops a seasonal high-pressure system. This causes the air to flow outward from the land towards the sea. However, in the summer, the land warms up and develops a seasonal low-pressure system, which causes air from the sea to flow inward toward the land. These seasonal wind changes are known as the monsoons.